Hello, beautiful. Good Jeep. Hook road fender flares and hook road really quickly. Mid-length bumper. And I will say, I thought it was a full-length bumper. I agonized over which bumper to get for, not kidding, over a year. Kitty, no. Yeah, hook road. Happy with it. A little concerned about the lack of tire coverage, but anyway, makes the wheels look bigger. Okay, interestingly, here we go. Let me show y'all, look at this. Rolie-Poles. I know some people are skeeved out. Actually, I did not know people were skeeved out by them until recent. Came to my awareness that most people don't appreciate well, they're not arachnids, arthropods, isopods. Anyway, there's Mama. It's okay, buddy. Let's see this way. Oops, where did you go? I'm going to show you my fingernail for size reference. Excuse my lack of a man. Oh my God, no! Cats are fighting. Anyway, excuse my lack of proper manicure, but look. See the size. She's not dead. I don't think. I'll check. Those little babies are all on her middle section there, right in the middle of her legs. There's one there now. Great. Right there. That middle one is, look like they're almost like drinking milk almost. That's weird. Fascinating. They're not like drinking a milk, are they? That's so interesting. It looks like she's taking care of them, kind of like a, I don't know, a pig would take care of piglets. How interesting. Because when I found her, she rolled in a ball, and I picked her up and I put her in here. And she walked around, and then I looked in there a second later, and she was on her side, and these little guys were running everywhere. They were in her, underneath in the middle. But now they're crawling back to her. How interesting. Man, I'm sorry, that was so fascinating. I, in college, studied non-insect arachnids as my personal favorite. I actually majored in organismal biology, which organismal biology is basically biology of things that are living, like animals. To clarify, it's biology, but